Will the candidates for graduation from the College of Rehabilitative Sciences please rise? Mr. President, by virtue of the authority vested upon me as Dean of the College of Rehabilitative Sciences and upon the recommendation of the faculty, I have the honor to present the candidates for graduation who have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements prescribed thereof by the Commission on Higher Education and by the Cebu Doctors University for the academic year 2007-2008. The four candidates for graduation with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Occupational Therapy. The 16 candidates for graduation with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Physical Therapy. I recommend that the corresponding diplomas with all the rights, privileges, obligations, and responsibilities thereunto appertaining be conferred upon them.
Will the candidates for graduation from the College of Allied Medical Sciences please rise? Mr. President, by virtue of the authority vested upon me as Dean of the College of Allied Medical Sciences and upon the recommendation of the faculty, I have the honor to present the candidates for graduation who have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements prescribed thereof by the Commission on Higher Education and by the Cebu Doctors University for academic year 2007-2008. The 32 candidates for graduation with a degree Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology. The 34 candidates for graduation with a degree Bachelor of Science in Radiologic Technology. I recommend that the corresponding diplomas with all the rights, privileges, obligations, and responsibilities thereunto appertaining be conferred upon them.
Will the candidates for graduation from the College of Pharmacy please rise? Mr. President, by virtue of the authority vested upon me as the Dean of the College of Pharmacy and upon the recommendation of the Faculty of the College of Pharmacy, I have the honor to present candidates for graduation who have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements prescribed thereof by the Commission on Higher Education and by the Cebu Doctors University for the academic year 2007-2008. The 9 candidates for graduation with a degree of Bachelor of Pharmacy. I recommend that the corresponding diplomas with all the rights, privileges, obligations, and responsibilities thereunto appertaining be conferred upon them.
Will the candidates for graduation from the College of Arts and Sciences please rise? Mr. President, by virtue of the authority vested upon me as Academic Dean and upon the recommendation of the Faculty of the College of Arts and Sciences, I have the honor to present the candidates for graduation who have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements prescribed thereof by the Commission on Higher Education and by the Cebu Doctors University second semester academic year 2007-2008. The 4 candidates for graduation with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Biology. The 1 candidate for graduation with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. The 8 candidates for graduation with a degree of Bachelor of Arts in Psychology. The 5 candidates for graduation with a title of Associate in Computer Science. I recommend that the corresponding diplomas with all the rights, privileges, obligations, and responsibilities thereunto appertaining be conferred upon them.
By my authority as President of Cebu Doctors University, I hereby confer upon these graduates their respective degrees. 536 Bachelor of Science in Nursing, 16 Bachelor of Science in Physical Therapy, 4 Bachelor of Science in Occupational Therapy, 32 Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, 34 Bachelor of Science in Radiologic Technology, 9 Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy, 4 Bachelor of Science in Biology, 1 Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, 8 Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, and 5 Associate in Computer Science. After having been certified by the deans of their respective colleges to have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements of the curriculum prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, I hereby award them their diplomas with all the rights and privileges thereunto appertaining conferred upon them. Please transfer your tassels to the right. Congratulations.
Please be seated.
The graduates from College of Nursing will get their diplomas. Miss Isabel Christine Mary Vitalinas. Miss Abad Karin Emma Concepcion by Lane. Miss Abelia Salishi Talisay. Miss Abuya Aisamari Samas City. Miss Akailar K. Talambanas City. Miss Asep Agarlina Garigara Lake. Miss Adar Aileen Tacloban City. Miss Aguilar Claudette K. Butuan City. Miss Aguilar Ernie Claire Cebu City. Miss Almacete Romeo O. Cebu City. Miss Almana Katrina Grace Manawag City.
Covidiano Claire Alain Barangka Leyte. Miss Bongalos Hazel Ann Tagbilaran City. Miss Bono Francine Grace, Cebu City. Miss Bonono Chilean Surigao City. Miss Bondia Mona Gabriel, Mandaue City. Miss Bo Katrina Marie, Cebu City. Miss Cook May Glycerin, Lapu-Lapu City. Miss Borgonia Precious May Andrea, Balambang, Cebu. Miss Borome Monica, Cebu City. Miss Portador Michelle Luis, Talisay City. Miss Bordios May Peck, Butuan City. Miss Kabamo Hyacinth, Mandaue City. Miss Kabatiga Karen Joy, Iligan City. Miss Kabili Maria Ekon, Cebu City. Miss Capriana Melman Sherin, Talisay City. Miss Kadumog Donna Richie, Cebu City. Miss Kapikas Ava Vera, Cebu City. Miss Kalamba Adeline Pilar Bukol. Miss Campaner Queenie Ann Alcantara, Cebu. Miss Campus Rosemary Maribuko Buhol. Miss Canyabanyo Kaina Crishdale, Talisay City. Miss Camilasa Joy, Cebu City. Miss Katiana Michelle, Cebu City. Miss Canorio Gara May Ferriz, Biglanilla, Cebu. Miss Kaba FF, Talisay City. Miss Barman Mary Ann Eliza, Cebu City. Miss Caticiano Marin, Cebu City. Miss Cascabel Abigail, Danao City. Miss Casenias Maria Margaret, Danao City. Miss Casenias Liga Valencia, Bohol. Miss Casol Cory Joy, Cebu City. Miss Casol Prisca Jamie, Tacloban City. Miss Catalan Elise Nicole, Cebu City. Miss Cameron Soleil, Talisay City. Miss Cayano Loida, Aguera Leyte. Miss Ceballos Ethel May Agustin, Cebu City. Miss Sedano Irene Joyce, Camo City. Miss Delirian Ashley Rose, Pagadian City. Miss Cilian Edralyn, Talibon, Bohol. Miss Cilian Nina Jane, Talibon, Bohol. Miss Cero Lara Lane, Hagna, Bohol. Miss Chan Agnes Belia, San Carlos City. Miss Chan Maria Rubik, Nata City. Miss Chang Josie, Cebu City. Miss Chavez Charmaine Brand, Tacloban City. Miss Jutinia Evelyn, Lapu-Lapu City. Miss Chua Joan Hannah Marie, Lapu-Lapu City. Miss Cinco Maria Angeli, Tacloban Samar. Miss Cordelia Maria, Cebu City. Miss Coromena Siani, Cebu City. Miss Cora Katrina Angelo, Lapu-Lapu City. Miss Cortez Cheris Jimenez Pisames Occidental. Miss Cobero Catherine Joy, Cebu City. Miss Koyus Ayesa Jean, Mandaue City. Miss Dapin Jean Ivy, Ormoc City. Miss Dapuna Rina Lee, Mandaue City. Miss Dayo Winelo, Danao City. Miss Delara Janrelo, Cebu City. Miss Deleon Monisa, Idil Zamboanga, Cebu. Miss Delmar Philbin Golden, Bye-Bye Lake. Miss Dela Peña Rafael Piluan, Cebu. Miss Dela Torre Isa, Cebu, Cebu. Miss Dela Victoria Alexis Katrina, Talisay City. Miss Deliman Emily, Piluan, Southern Leyte. Miss Demophilis Jeanette J, Lulub South, Cotabato. Miss Diana Michelle Gladys, Mandaue City. Miss Diaz Nam Suzette, Cebu City. Miss Bilal Shana Rodriguez, Cebu City. Miss Johnson Catherine, Mandaue City. Miss Deepon Maria Elena, Danao City. Miss Tira Mia Ray, Cebu City. Miss Emphasis, Doris Krista, Cebu City. Miss Quezon, Marta Alain, Surigao City. Miss Quintera, Nancy Blair, Cebu City. Miss Arcelia, Maria Angeline, Bacolod City. Miss Iscanrela, Carrie Jane, Bantayan City. Miss Esmas, Joanna Lowe, Cebu City. Miss Wisdom, Darlene, Rongan City. Miss Felizarda, Daisy Marie, Maasin City. Miss Fernando Cristina, Talisay City. Miss Ferraran, Marie Clarence, Cebu City. Miss Ferrer, Eugene, Ol Escalante, Negros Occidental. Miss Fideliaga, Maria Antoinette, Mandawi City. Miss Flores, Catherine, Cebu City. Miss Flores, Jello Marie, Mandawi City. Miss Flores, Ian Marie, Cebu City. Miss Flores, Maria Claudine, Ina, Tacloban City. Miss Floresca, Lucena May, Cebu City. Miss Floreda, Christy, Pinillian, Cebu. Miss Formentera, Jeneline, Cebu City. Miss Cabeza, Cherry May, Caloocan Leyte. Miss Gafo, Lucian J. Malaybalay City. Miss Gallardo, Joyce Catherine, Cebu City. Miss Gaviola, Marian, Asin City. Miss Killing, Maria Liza, Bugo City. Miss Kenny, Janabel, Pinatilan, Cebu. Miss Hector, Ana Marie, Cebu City. Miss Hesta, Ingrid, Cebu City. Miss Gilliamat, Michelle, Piligan City. Miss Go, Jessica Fee, Mandawi City. Miss Go, January Joy, Piligan Misamis Occidental. Miss Go, Joanna Irene, Mandawi City. Miss Kusela, Stephanie, Cebu City. Miss Udines, Ria June, Lapu-Lapu City. Miss Borre, Antonin, Angelica, Danao City. Miss Crisomis, Nina Justine, Garigara Leyte. Miss Guerra, Greta May, Consolacion City. Miss Gillian, Marion Clark, Cebu City. Miss Gillian, Stephanie, Lapu-Lapu City. Miss Guzman, Alaina Nix, Cebu City. Miss Hamoy, Anelo May, Bacolod City. Miss Harris, Christy, Categorgo, Southern Leyte. Miss Ina, Fatima Christine Joy, San Juan, Southern Leyte. Miss Isoler, Orsi Shai, Cebu City. Miss Ignacio, Ann Patricia, Cebu City. Miss Ino, Gladys, Minglanilla, Cebu. Miss Iwan, Ernestine Joy, Cebu City. Miss Tio, Norlai, Rosary, Rapita City. Miss Adolfo, Christina Marie, Naval, Iliran. Miss Adolfo, Shirel, Naval, Iliran. Miss Hamago, Irene Magnaco. Miss Hamora, Rudalyn Esther, Lapu City. Miss Lucette, Marie-Claise Ann, San Carlos City. Miss Bonich, Claudette, Clarin Mogo. Miss Jokarnay, Tayandayan, Nerva, Sulu. Miss Santilia, Marcel Elaine, Pacor, Cavite. Miss Sayan, Rose Lee, Talisay City. Miss Kabahar, Alili Joy, Cebu City. Miss Candelan Mazo, Salinchera, San Carlos City. Miss Pilat, Ana, Cebu City. Miss Quezon, Silicon Corazon, Cebu City. Miss Bayo, Rika Adriana, Isabel Leyte. Miss Lacson, L.I., Cebu City. Miss Lanorio, Melissa, Talisay City. Miss Larazabal, Katrina Marie, Iligan City. Miss Lauron, Aguna Marie, Consolacion Cebu. Miss Lial, Maria Katina, Cebu City. Miss Lee, Chris Dayan, Cebu City. Miss Lee, Sandra, Cebu City. Miss Lucilis, Jean, San Miguel Leyte. Miss Libres, Luciel Wayway Leyte. Miss Lee, Ana Cristina, Tacloban City. Miss Lee, Jacqueline Ruth, Cebu City. Miss Lee, Maria Yuli Mandawi City. Miss Lee, Rubina Alexis, Cebu City. Miss Lin Chao, Dory Downey, Cebu City. Miss Lin Bago, Miss Lin Caloocan Leyte. Miss Lepardo Stephanie, Cebu City. Miss Lita, Agnes Maureen, Mandawi City. Malabar District, Surigao City. Miss Malazarte Rosario Margot, Cebu City. Miss Manila Therese Alma, Cebu City. Miss Marina Viena Morian, Las Marinas, Cavite. Miss Manalo Elisa, Tacloban City. Miss Manligues Odessa, Cebu City. Miss Maria Teresa, Talisay City. Miss Mansueto Windy K, Iligan City. Miss Mateo Angeli Flor, Cebu City. Miss Medica Apple Jane, Cebu City. Miss Mendoza Marnelli, Ormoc City. Miss Mendoza Ushin, Argao City. Miss Diana Maria Saita, Talisay City. Miss Melianis Jenny Lee, Manila City. Miss Inyosa Lava June, Palamban City. Miss Miranda Danza Junet, Tanda, Surigao del Sur. Miss Miranda Johanna May, San Isidro Leyte. Miss Miro Michelle, Cebu City. Miss Mojado Joyce, Cebu City. Miss Montenegro Janet, Cebu City. Miss Montesilio Isilda, Mandaue City. Miss Montero Mary Hermosa, Cebu City. Miss Morales Teresa Tania, Cebu City. Miss Moran Maria Isa Gladys, Cebu City. Miss Muniz Krista, Butuan City. Miss Navaja Girlie, Carcar City. Miss Nelias Daphne Christie, Cebu City. Miss Neris Carlene Nani, Toledo City. Miss Meister Maria Cristina, Cebu City. Miss Disneysan Katrina, Carcar City. Miss Nuevo Maria Lourdes, Aguera, Leyte. Miss Uamelda de Camelda, Minglavilia City. Miss Ubesco Maria Pini, Quinan Lane, Huayan Manila. Miss Ocho Terena, Maricor, Nipulo City. Miss O, Stephanie Ann, Pagadian City. Miss Umamba, Curly, Toledo City. Miss Umpat, Michelle Marie, Cebu City. Miss Ong, Eunice Joy, Tacloban City. Miss Ong, Marie Finelli, Mandaue City. Miss Isoplado, April Rose, Mandaue City. Miss Oyang Green, Carol Joyce, Ormoc City. Miss Padillo, Amanda Marie, Cebu City. Miss Calero, Adelaide, San Fernando City. Miss Benito, Gio, Danao City. Miss Perez, Angelique Samantha, Lugon, Bucor. Miss Carolino, Hannah Marie, Toledo City. Miss Nikian, Pearl Lynn, Tubizaina, Misamis Occidental. Miss Paul, Michelle Green, Cebu City. Miss Puno, Carla May, Cebu City. Miss Puno, Paula, Cebu City. Miss Tencioso, Contessa, Cebu City. Miss Crisores, Irish, Mandaue City. Miss Giron, Rafael Marie, Asin City. Miss Rabor, Georgia Angela, Cebu City. Miss Ramon Clarice, Cebu City. Miss Ramones, Sophie Rose, Panucon Leyte. Miss Ras, Avelina, Inclavilla City. Miss Regalado, Fatima May, Bacolod City. Miss Relampos, Earl Margaret, Talisay City. Miss Rilantaman, Joanna Marie, Tacloban
Zambales City. Miss Romero Joanne Henry, Cebu City. Miss Ross Katrina Isabel, Cebu City. Miss Rosanne Hazel, Ormoc City. Miss Rodas Dia Caril, Tipolog City. Miss Ruiz Caroline Socor, Tipolog City. Miss Rui Kathleen Jen, Quezon City. Miss Salarna Jenny Mingladilla City. Miss Salawaria Rina, Anawa City. Miss Salimano Denise Marie, Sabang, Cebu City. Miss Salinas Joan Marie, Katipian, Miss Saltillo Daisy, Cebu